This income statement is an example of a basic financial report that is usually created on a monthly and annual basis. Customers have told us that currently they must recreate this report every time from scratch. With BizInsight, reports are created once and then updated by simply selecting the appropriate filtering values. And with BizBroadcast, this can be automated so that the report doesn't have to be accessed at all. It will be opened, updated, and distributed automatically. By eliminating the time that it takes to create basic financial reports, attention can now be given to other parts of the business, such as an aged receivables report to see who owes us money. This aged receivables report gives me a list of my customers and shows the amount of their past due invoices, as well as any invoices that will be due within the next 90 days. Notice that when I change the aging date, the entire report updates and tells me not only how much they owe, but it breaks it out by 30, 60, 90, and 90 plus days. Notice too that an Excel element called a Spark chart has been added to each table to show what the trend for each customer's past due invoices looks like over the last 90 days. This allows me to use this report not only as a way to convey data, but as a live document that gives me the information that I need to make business decisions. For instance, suppose the warehouse comes to me and says, "We just received orders from Computer Repair and Sales and Blackwell Emulsion. Both customers have ordered the same product, but we don't have enough to fill both orders." In the past, I may tell them to fill the Computer Repair and Sales order first because I know that they do a lot of business with me. Now, however, I can bring up this report and update my aging date and look at my Spark chart column. I can quickly see that Computer Repair's past due invoice amounts have trended up over the last 90 days, whereas Blackwell's have trended down, indicating to me that they are making payments. I can then tell the warehouse to go ahead and fill the Blackwell order, and I will call Computer Repair and apprise them of the back order and take the opportunity to discuss their past due invoices as well. I've just used this report to quickly make a business decision that prevents me from committing more capital to a customer that isn't paying me, which has a direct effect on my cash flow and bottom line.